You're scrolling, and an ad makes you stop. You know exactly why it works. The hook, the pacing, the way it pulls you in. But recreating something like that for your brand, by the time you've briefed your team, shot the creative, and tested it, the moment is gone. There's a faster way.
This is Ad Clone by TagShop AI. Let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1. Drop in your reference ad. Find any winning ad in your niche. Paste the link directly from Meta, TikTok, or Instagram, or upload the video file directly into the tool, up to 50 megabytes. The AI breaks down what's making it work, the hook, the structure, the pacing, so it can rebuild that for your product. Step 2. Add your product. Hit the product button, drop in your details. That's all TagShop needs to know whose brand this ad is being rebuilt for. Pick your resolution, 700, 20, or 1080p. Choose your duration, 10 or 15 seconds. Hit Generate. You land in the TagShop AI video agent. Storyboard ready, script written, built around your product. Tweak anything before you move forward. Hit Generate. In minutes, finished video, same proven structure, fresh AI avatar.
TagShop auto formats for Meta, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, Snapchat, Pinterest. One generation, every platform. You didn't shoot anything. You didn't brief anyone. You just went from saved ad to published creative faster than your team can schedule a call. Link is in the description. Go try it.